Hey tubes, been to ALDI lately? I have. $149, 50 litre tank. I took the plunge, something that my generator will run, 1800 watt. I dare say it might take, well, probably it'd take more to start it. Like, I think it's like three or something it takes to start it. But anyway, I'm unboxing this thing for you to see. Well, hang on, I should probably get some stuff to open it with. Be right back. Well, I guess not. These ones are good though. They're not the cheap ones, they're the thick metal ones with the... we're here to open an air compressor, not talk about me tools. Don't judge me toolbox. It's just a bit of a... threw everything in a bag and had to go. And I haven't organised it since. And all my other stuff's back at the workshop. Oh, hang on. Potato peeler. Don't want you to get into it, do they? Damn. Yeah, don't mess with the potato peeler. Quite excited actually. I didn't think much of it, but when I saw this in the catalogue, it just looked, I didn't see what size it was. Don't know why, probably wasn't paying attention, but it just looked like one of them little 25 litre compressors. But it kind of looks fat in the photo, doesn't it? And it was one of these open. You couldn't see too much of it. I passed my hand, it was open at the front in ALDI's, in the shop, so I passed my hand down along there. It was pretty, you know, like, I was doing these ones, I was at the back of the box here. It's not a bad tank for just a little compressor like this. Well, it's supposed to be little, to have a tank that big. It's not bad. And I should have turned the light on this phone. Ow! I just stepped on that fan. Ow. That hurt. I've just come home from work. Went from work straight to ALDI's to get bananas. Now, when this come out in the catalogue, when this came out in the catalogue, the day it come out, I went there to go and have a look. I wasn't like, you know, if you've seen the other videos, you know I've got compressors. That big old, well, it's not big, but it's not small. Done a long video on it recently. They're the wheels, handle. We're going to assemble this thing. I'm going to assemble it, and you're going to see me do it. And Yeah, it's not a bad looking thing. Yeah. Oh, you'll still use the other compressor. This one here, which has got the air filter thing, crankcase breather. Well, it's not just an oil filler plug, it's your crankcase breather too. You plug that up and you got no problems. Not a bad looking thing. Now, obviously, it's going to take two hands to lift this out of here. And I'm just holding a phone. It's not a bad size. It's not far off that one I've actually got set up in the shed. Surely. It's not a bad size. Right. Two Nitto fittings. Two Nitto outlets, and that is a regulator. An air pressure regulator. So all I need to do is put the water trap on it. Yeah. Bloody... Oh, let me pull this thing out. That's decent. That's big. And that's plastic. What have we got? We have PSI. And we have pounds and PSI, same stuff. That's the blow-off valve. I'm assuming it'll be the 150 to blow off. No. Wouldn't know. Need a potato peeler again, I suppose. Where did I put that thing? Here. It kind of looks like a pretty long cord, doesn't it? I don't want to damage it. That's a long cord. I'm being careful here. Looks like a cheap cable tie anyway, nothing special. Not a bad cable tie, I will say that. Okay, I judged this cable tie too soon. What can I do? Oh, maybe just slip it over. What do you reckon, guys? Tubes. Ah. Hands are sore, I've been on a jackhammer all day. Damn, that's a good cable tie. It's actually a shame to break it, isn't it? You know, they're the kind of cable ties you want. You know? I wonder if that bloody... Hey, it might be good for this. Huh. Not bad. Okay. Oh, jeez. Hang on. Focus. How long is this? Hang on, still going. Measurement. about that long. Because my tape measure is in the car. Yes. So we need handles, we need wheels, and not an extension lead apparently. Need to put handles on it. Okay. Probably don't need to see everything, do you? Alright, we got a bag of... No, wait. Focus. Alright. I'm just going to have to do this and then show you what I did, because messing around too much, but hang on. Focus. The one at the shop had oil. Oh yeah, you got this thing. Pull that out and put the thing in. Before first use, check the oil level and replace the transport oil plug by the supplied oil plug. Righto then. Ah, reset. Good idea. And the cylinder is held on with 2 Allen keys. And yeah, the piston. On the fat side, it's not skinny like they usually are. Well, look at the size of the tank. Jeez, stuff me. I judged too soon when I... Here, hang on. If you're interested, screenshot that, have a gander. Yeah. I'm going to start putting this thing together. Well, there it is. Pulled a little plastic grommet out and screwed that in. Grommet out, screw that in, check the oil. You do it once the wheels and the feet are on, so it's level, and pretty good. I didn't have to add a drop to it. Yeah, she's a big thing. I don't know why my phone's having dramas focusing. Yeah, so water drains under there. Wheels are good. You put the bolt head's got a washer attached to it, like welded on, part of the head. You got a washer for either side. Washer and a spring washer on this side, and just a flat washer on this side. 17mm. 14mm at the front, just 2 flat washers. Yeah. Oh. Now, it says here that it puts out what? 97 decibels. I don't want to piss the neighbours off, so yeah. I'm not going to do that here. Wait till I get this out to where the workshop is, out of town. Yeah. The plastic, obviously, all air compressors, you got like your cheap plastic and stuff, but it's not too bad. It's not bad looking. I paid $149 for this. And it was one of those things where I walked in to get some shopping. Bananas. I walked in to get bananas for work. Came home with an air compressor. And I did get me bananas. I didn't forget them. I did for a second. I got halfway to the bloody checkout and, oh, hang on. Bananas. Then I went back and got them. Yeah, I find like the large wheels are good, and I feel like rubber, like plastic, yeah, plastic rim, rubber tyre. And they're rubber feet too. But yeah, it's lightweight, easy to move, and that's a good handle. But there is some substantial size in that. It's not a small compressor. It's bloody ridiculous. Oh, jeez. Well, part 2 I'll be using it because I really want to get this up here to show you guys. That's that air compressor for $149 at ALDI's. Bloody hell. What a size that is. Oh, thanks for watching, and yeah, part 2 is coming up. I'd get on down there and buy one. I'm sure it'll work fine. Like, the way these things go so quick, if you sit there and wait for part 2 and it's a good review and you race on down there and it's gone, well, yeah, I'd get on top of that. Yeah. Righto, thanks for watching. And yeah, see you on part 2.